Welcome aboard. Today we're going to make my version of Risotto Frutti di Mare. Here's all we're going to need and how we put it together. We'll start with half a pound of bay scallops, half a pound of shrimp, and I like to peel the shrimp all the way and take the tail off. You can leave the tail on just for plate presentation. Half a dozen squid, and on this, the key here is to make sure, even though it says it's cleaned, make sure the beak is cleared out of that. And then we're also going to cut these into rings, and that's optional, but I really like them. And then half a bag of mussels, and I like these that are already seasoned. I like the seasoning in them. And normally we would use about a dozen clams. I went to 2 stores today, couldn't find clams anywhere. So we're going to use half a can of chopped clams. All right. And then half a can of anchovies. Now here again, that's optional, but I like the anchovies instead of salt. And then we have pepper to taste. We're going to do half a dozen mushrooms, half a green pepper, and half of an onion. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of white wine, probably half a jar of tomato sauce, any type that you would like, because we're going to season it with homegrown oregano, basil, thyme, and rosemary. I'm going to use about 4 cloves of garlic, Parmesan cheese to taste, and that's after. Probably about 1/4 cup, maybe a little bit less, of olive oil. And the risotto, I have my rice mix where it's a blend, kind of like 4 different rices. And I've already pre-cooked the rice because that's what's going to take the longest. Now let's cut everything up and get ready to start sauteing and finish this off. Now I'm going to mince the basil. The other seasonings, I leave them as they are, and then rather than try to pull all these little leaves off, when we're done, then we'll just pull the stems out, and it's a lot easier to do. Oh, we'll also mince the oregano. Now we have everything prepped, sliced and diced, and ready to start cooking. And as usual, we start by heating our pan, adding some olive oil. Going to add the garlic in there. Just let that brown slightly. That's good. Now we're going to saute our vegetables. While that's sauteing, we'll add a little bit of our anchovies. I'm going to put 3 in there for right now. All right, 4. And those will get dissolved as the cooking process goes along. So you really won't have a full anchovy to snack on. All right, our vegetables look pretty good. We're going to add our seafood, the squid, scallops, and shrimp. We'll saute those together. All of our seafood is sauteed, and at this point is when we would throw the clams in, but we don't have them, so we'll just put the chopped clams in, and then the mussels, just to heat them up a little bit. And I like to use the broth that's in them. Add our wine. Bring that to a good boil, and then we'll add our sauce. Oh, yeah, we'll add our herbs in here at this time. Stir that up. Let that sit till it comes to a boil. That's starting to boil. Let's add our sauce. That's about right. Let's see what that looks like. That's excellent right there. Now, if you get it, it's a little too loose, you could always add some tomato paste to it. But once we add the rice in, that's going to soak up a lot of the juices. And this recipe is probably going to serve 3 people, maybe 4. We'll let that simmer a little bit more. Well, this is still pretty loose. I probably should not have used as much of the clam juice. So I am going to take half a can of tomato paste, stir that in. Let's see what that does for us. Now let's put a little bit more in. Let's use the whole can. You know, that's the thing with recipes. You can always add or take away a little bit from it. Kind of like the Pirate's Code. Recipes are more of a guideline. Now this would look a lot nicer if we had the clam shells in there too, but it's going to taste great. And to top it off, a little bit of grated Parmesan. And of course you serve a little bit of Italian bread with this to sop up all the great juice. And there we have it, guys. And until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends. And yes, I do all my own cleanup. And sometimes it's a lot. But it's all part of cooking.